How are you today, Leon?
Be better once this is all over.
Well, I've had a complaint about you, Leon.
Ah, okay. It wasn't me.
How do you know what it was when I haven't said what it is yet? Yeah. Well, a man in reception this morning told me that you flipped him the bird this morning.
I have not flipped the bird to anyone this morning.
You wouldn't lie to me, would you, Leon? You wouldn't lie to my face after everything I've done for you, would you? Well?
I mean, in my defence, he was very rude to me, and honestly, I didn't think that he saw.
Right.
I haven't had any official warnings yet. No.
Well, you were caught on CCTV.
Oh. Okay.
I'm sorry, Leon. I'm gonna have to let you go.
Okay.